and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's a purple post day. This is a sneak peek at a new release. So excited. I love this new release. So this one is due out this Thursday, October the 27th at 6 p.m. Sorry, I tried to peel off the tape off these quite nicely because Christmases are coming. And this can be very nice wrapping paper. Recycle. I love brown presents brown parcels under the tree. So yes, we have a new Diamond Art Studio release. This one is by Hafsa Indriz. I hope I've said that right. It is called On the Last Day. Oh, I think I may have sneak peeked, showed you what it is, but if you weren't quick enough, you're going to get the full glory now anyway. So it's called On the Last Day by Hafsa Indriz. Let me get the sticker sheet and flatten it down. Just helps the individual stickers to stay where they're supposed to go. It is a 50 by 70. This is available in square only. And it has 3 AB colours. 3 AB colours. So you can get this one from Thursday. Let me get the sheet the right way up. Are you ready? Look at that colour. I cannot wait. Yeah, absolutely love the fact that this looks like it's going to be quite a bit of confetti. But it's called On the Last Day. We have 44 different colours. Oh, we actually have 4 ABs, sorry. My bad. We have 318, 666, 995 and 5200 as ABs. And the stickers on these are individually cut. So if you can see, the 150 is individually cut, as is the symbol. So you can stack them on your pots if you want to. Or you can just use the symbols if you're not a saver of diamonds, which I don't know why you wouldn't be a saver of diamonds, because I love saving my diamonds. It's part of the excitement. But look at all those colours. Let's have a look at the actual canvas and the charting. I'm rather excited. I'm upside down. Oh, look at that confetti already. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. We don't have any 310. This dark one is actually 939. And I did see a comment from Sam that if 310 doesn't need to be used, they do kind of avoid 310 if it's not required. But 939 is very good at giving that dark colour, especially when there's a lot going on. So we do have some blockiness here with the alien and what looks like a child. Maybe it is an alien child, maybe it's not. Looks like it could be human of some form. Then we have, oh, this hole here. This is all AB. That's amazing. So yeah, it's a 50 by 70 in square. Look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. So for ABs, so 318, which is a grey AB. Where are those? So there is some of them in here. They're scattered here and around here. In fact, there's quite a lot scattered around this sort of part of the swirl. Around here, there's bits here, bits here. Don't think we have as many further out. So it's sort of the lighter part of the swirl has got the ABs. The red ABs, there is a couple of tones of red anywhere that you see red. Where's the R? So we've got a mixture of 666 AB and 321, which is a normal red. In all of these places that you see red, there is both of them. All round here. There's some scattered in down here, all the way up here. So we've got AB in loads of areas there. 995 AB, which is a blue. We've got some over here. Can't see any up there. Doesn't mean there isn't any, but it's my first glance. There's some here, some here, some in here. Sorry about that. Before I started this video, my camera said that the battery was full. It told porkies. Okay, so yeah, there's quite a bit scattered in around here and over to the sides. Up here, yeah, they're scattered, but they're nicely scattered in with the blue section. And then the white, not only is this all AB, which adds to that sparkle, the white AB is scattered. There are just single ones in all these places that you see little bits of white or blocks of white is AB. So let's have a look at the, oh, look at that. Look at those colours, absolutely gorgeous. We've got a gorgeous yellow in there as well. But let's have a look at the amount we get of certain ones. That's what I want to look at. So white ABs, you actually get 2 bags worth of white ABs because of the amount, not only for this block, but there's also the reflection and all these scatterings. So we get 2 big bags of that AB. Here's another AB. 995, the blue. So we get quite a bit of that. I say it is scattered in with these sort of sections of blue. Red AB, so that's the 666. All the blocks of red have some AB and some of 321. And then 318 AB, so the grey AB, you get that much. So quite a lot of AB colours scattered throughout. And then the other one I wanted to look at was 939. You do have 3 bags of 939. The biggest block, I'd say, of 939 is probably the alien and potentially the human. Forgive me if I've got that wrong with the reflection. But then there is sort of sweeps of it all mixed in around with the swirls. So you won't be doing it, you won't feel like you're doing it for an eternity, but there is 3 bags to get through. So yeah, and then you've got all these gorgeous colours. So these were hidden, but look, gorgeous orange, oranges, pinks, blues. Oh, got the dark blues at 820, is it? It is 820, so we've got a couple of bags of 820. We've got some lilac, burnt red, burnt orange, really nice pinks and yellows. So, and that orange as well, but was slightly hidden. Oh, look at that colour. Look at that greeny blue. 3766. Love that colour. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous colours. So this is available, as I say, in a square. It will be available on the site from Thursday the 27th at 6 p.m. UK time. On the 27th we are still on BST, British Summer Time. We will change to GMT the week after, I think. I hope I've not got it wrong and the clock's changed this weekend. I'm pretty sure the clock's changed the weekend after, I think. See, everything's so automatic now, isn't it? Your phone just does it. It just changes. But yeah, this is one of their new releases. They will, of course, be putting up more information, but if you love a good colourful confetti painting, then this one is definitely for you. You can choose to get the kit with or without the toolkit. I always get it without the toolkit because I use my own tray and my own pen. But do bear in mind, if you are new to diamond painting, you can get it with a toolkit. So, Hafsa Idris. Absolutely amazing image. I fell in love with it the minute I saw it. I knew it was a must. So yeah, I'll pop a link down below to Diamond Art Studio UK. I do also have a code that gets you a little percentage off, gets you 10% off. So I'll pop that in the description as well. That's always available on my website. I don't get anything from that, but you guys do. So use it to help those pennies. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.